This is a pen. It makes tons of fucking noise. This is probably one of the most random things I've ever done, but we're here now, so. Just clicking a goddamn pen. Guys, check out my other videos. They're actually fantastic. Or check out other me's channel. He's been booming, playing Mega Man and shit and whatnot. Or not just Mega Man, but doing all sorts of stuff. But, yeah. Okay, I better stop. My finger's starting to hurt.